Greetings everyone, my name is Sibongile Kunju. I am the founder of Bosa Communications and Events Management. This company was established in 2014 and its focus is on events management. We established an event called Coffee Bay Cultural Festival, which is based in the KSD municipality and the OR Tambo municipality. This event's main aims are to curb HIV and AIDS, teenage pregnancy, substance abuse, and fight against gender-based violence through arts, culture, and sport. This event also seeks to address the imbalances that exist between the youth and women in the rural areas and the youth and women in the urban areas. We are excited to be part of this project because we believe that this project is a moral regeneration project. Also, this project is an economic development project, and this project will bring more investors in the area, as the area that we are doing the event is a tourist attraction. So tourism will also benefit very, very well in the project, as the hospitality industry currently does benefit from the project. The project benefits a lot of locals, like your security companies, your caterers, the hospitality industry, and the hotels, and also the transportation. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Nasi Zomdende. I've been part of Bosa Communications for 3 years. I'm a leader of Indomizenqiyo under the Coffee Bay Cultural Festival, a program that is coordinated by Bosa Communications. The aim of the program is to fight teenage pregnancy, drug abuse, and is to promote abstinence. It also highlights the social challenges faced by our communities like crime and gender-based violence. My role as a leader is to coordinate the Indomizenqiyo program, making sure that it reaches many parts of our province, and it is also to lead by an example to the young girls and boys part of our program. I will recommend the project because it does not only highlight the challenges that I've mentioned, but it also creates job opportunities for local people, and it opens platform for local artists to showcase their talent and their skills. Thank you.
Let me take this opportunity and greet you all. This is Govuma Ako from Eastern Cape in Nkanduli. I am the Queen of Abatem Kingdom and I am Miss Indoni Cultural South Africa 2019-2020. I am an Indombiyenqiyo under the leadership of Nasi Zomdende, which is under Bosa Communication and Coffee Bay Cultural Festival. The journey for me to Miss Indoni Cultural South Africa was not easy, but Bosa Communications and Coffee Bay Cultural Festival made it possible for me. As a result, I won Miss Indoni Cultural South Africa 2019-2020. During Coffee Bay Cultural Festival, young girls and boys showcasing their culture, their heritage with pride and dignity. As you all know that the aim of this program is to fight teenage pregnancy, drugs and alcohol abuse, and HIV and AIDS through our heritage custom. It also creates a platform for local artists to perform, showing up their talents. It also creates job opportunities for local people.
Let me take this opportunity and greet everyone there. My name is Samkelo, a gospel artist from Kanduli in the Eastern Cape. I've been part of Bosa Communications for 2 years now, 2018 and 2019. The program has changed my life financially, and I've also gained some knowledge and experience on how to handle or how to control the audience when you're on stage. And also it was my first time to perform in such big platforms like that one. So the program has done a lot of things in my life, and yeah, it has also done a lot of things in the community due to children who are